Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 GMC Yukon and we're going to do the lower lip installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the lower lip of the vehicle, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color of the grille, and also it gives it a more aggressive look for this one. If you like the product, link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So all you need is water and baby shampoo inside your spray bottle. Mix it to create your solution, and then just start removing any contaminants that the panel may have. And something to keep in mind with this one, we covered everything that's in the front area of the lip. Whatever is underneath, unfortunately, is not being covered due to the fact that it's going to be a little bit difficult to reach underneath since you have to be under the vehicle. So we just made it to where it only covers up to the flat area here. So when it comes to doing the installation for this one, normally we would start from the bottom and make our way to the top. But with this one, we recommend starting from the top first. So make sure you align it close to the body line of the panel. So like this. So where the body line is, just bring it down a little bit, and that should be good right there. Grab your squeegee, start from the middle, and tack the panel down. And just do the same for the other side. And then cover the film on the middle section here. And that's pretty much it. We would move on to the next piece, which is this one right here in the middle. So with this one, start where you left off. So align it right on the edge there. And just work your way on following the panel. Just like that until you reach it to the other edge. That way it has full coverage. Use your squeegee to tack down the flat surface. And then work your way in the middle. Tack everything down in the middle section. And around the curved area here, we're just going to apply a little bit of heat while holding the film and stretching it to avoid having fingers here. So grab your heat gun, hold the film, apply a little bit of heat just to help relieve the tension. Let it cool off, and then tack it down to squeegee. And then the same steps that we did here, you would rinse and repeat for the other side, and then we would move on to install the last piece. And now that we're done, we're moving on to the last piece. To start off with this installation, recommend starting from the middle. Start right in the middle and then place it and work your way to one side. Make sure you're covering the whole chrome till you reach it here. Release the film, the tension, and just do the same on this edge. And if you need to lift it to readjust it, you can. Just take your time till you reach it to the other end. And then all I'm doing now is lifting the film from the middle section. That way we help remove any tension that the film has, since it is a small curve on each side. Now you would grab your squeegee and start tacking down from the middle to help secure the film. So just take your time for this part. You can squeegee at an angle. And then for this curved section here, all we're going to do is hold the film. Make sure to release the tension if it has any air. Apply a good amount of heat. Let the film cool off. Lift it and make sure everything's still aligned. And since we applied heat, we're able to tack down here around the curve. And if you need to continue applying heat, you can to help it tack down around this curve. So for example here, hold it, apply heat, let it cool off, and then tack it down. And then we would just trim off the excess material. So grab your blade, find the gap, and trim off the excess material. And then you just do the same on the other side. And then once you're done, we will pulse heat the entire panel. So the last thing to do once you finish applying the whole film onto the lower lip is to pulse heat the entire panel. So all you need to do is just apply heat to make sure we help the adhesive activate faster, and we prevent it from lifting over time as well. So make sure you get the edges underneath the panel here. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the lower lip chrome delete for the 2022 GMC Yukon. I hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.